Going into the output directory and viewing its contents by inputting the commands cd output and ls, one can see all the information collected from this simple network simulation. Let's look at some of this data. Going into our main.stats.dat file by typing in the command nano main_stats.dat, we can see the primary data compiled from our simulation. Here we can see a number of agents in our network, the proportion of agents that are of each agent type, so we can see that all our agents are standard agents, the total number of tweets, the number of hashtags, the percentage of tweets that contain a hashtag, number of retweets, total number of follows, how many follows were made by each follow model, which we'll discuss in greater detail in later tutorials. We can also use nuplot to plot the in-degree, out-degree, and cumulative degree distributions for each simulated month for all the agents. So we can see here that we have the in-degree distributions for months 0, 1, and 2. Same for the out-degree and the cumulative degree distributions. An agent's in-degree is the number of agents following them, while its out-degree is the number of agents it's following. The cumulative degree is the sum of these two values. The agents in the simulation were configured to have a follow rate of 0.001, which basically means that in a simulation of 100,000 simulated minutes, we should expect each agent to have follow around 10 other agents and be followed by about 10 agents. Since 100,000 times 0.0001 equals 10. Therefore, we should expect most agents to have an in-degree of 10, an out-degree of 10, and a cumulative degree of 20. Let's plot and see. To access nuplot, type in the command nuplot. And to plot the in-degree, out-degree, and cumulative degree distributions for month 002, which contains the most up-to-date data, on the same graph with appropriate axis labels in the title, type in the following: set style, fill transparent, solid 0.5 no border. We're going to set the title to be agent degree distributions. We're going to set the X label to be degree, set the Y label to be normalized degree probability, and the command to plot these 3 degree distributions is a long one, so we're actually going to copy it from the documentation here. I'll just copy that and paste. So this plots all 3 degree distributions for month 002. It gives each set of data its own color and its own title. So pressing enter, we can see the plot of our 3 degree distributions. As expected, most agents have an in degree of close to 10, maybe slightly less, an out degree of, again, slightly less than 10, but pretty close to it, and a cumulative degree definitely peaking around 20. Note that you can save your plots by typing the command set output and then whatever you would like your file to be called when you first start a new plot and prior to actually plotting the data.